Working out is easy. Getting to the point where you feel like working out can be difficult sometimes for some people. But you can find motivation within yourself by asking yourself, what is it that you desire? For what reason would you want to work out? Is it weight loss? Is it weight gain? Do you want to feel better, move better in life? Do you want to like what you see when you look in the mirror? There are so many reasons why we choose to start or continue our fitness journeys. Whether we're walking or running on a treadmill, lifting weights, or dancing. Fitness is not only good for the soul, it's great for the body, and you can continue on this amazing journey to achieving, to maintaining your desired body. You can, and you will. It is possible. We can be active. We don't have to be lazy. Be encouraged to move your body every single day of your life. Feel better. Look better. Be healthy. Be fit. Even if you're stretching, please be active every single day of your life.